Welcome. Google Search Console has rolled out a pretty good important updates as of July 29, 2026. As you can see, platform properties roll out global plus new social media and video performance guide. Now, what this means to you? Now, this is a very huge news for people who are working on SEO blogging and also working on SEO through social media guidelines. And here you can see we have got all these important guides here. So you can also see how the content you have posted on social media and video social platform performs on Google search. Now what you want to do is simply search.google.com search console. Now once you enter inside the dashboard, you need to simply click on add property. As you can see, I have added the property as of now. You need to click on add property, and it's just gonna prompt you whether you want to add a website, whether you want to add an Instagram, whether you want to add a TikTok, X, and YouTube. Hopefully they will also roll out update for adding a Pinterest. As of now, only these 5 platforms are available. As you can see, we have a standard option to add a website, and we have got the Instagram option as well. So what you need to do is you can click on login on all the social media accounts. But YouTube, if you want to select a YouTube, it's just going to automatically fetch what you have, what the keyword you have, what the YouTube channel is linked to the Gmail account. Now once you do that, if you need to go to the performance, it's just going to show you what are the keywords and what are the traffic and what are the SEO things which you're ranking for. Now if you want me to show you an example, here we go. I want to show you an example. Alright, this is one of the example which I have. Now here you can see we have got so let me just focus it to the last 16 months. So sorry guys, I'm not much active on these pages. So we have got all the blogging tips for beginners. So let me just copy this and see here you are going to get analytics like this. So whatever keyword which you're ranking here, on a YouTube channel, all the social platforms, whichever it is, YouTube, Instagram, X, or TikTok, or maybe even a website, it's just gonna look like this. You can filter out 24 hours, 7 days, 3 months, etc. So let me just put it in 12 months, and here you have all these keywords which you're ranking and all these things. So what you want to do is you want to copy this one of the keyword, and you can head over to Claude or whatever the AI tool which you're using for. So let me just, for a research purpose, let me just use a Google AI Studio. So let me just go back and here go to the AI Studio and go inside the AI Studio, click on get started. And AI Studio is very cool. Let me just go to the playground and here select with a grounding with a keyword research. But if you're not familiar with, if there is not there, what you want to do is you want to click on tools, and here you're gonna select grounding with a Google search. You can also do with a Google Maps, and you can also go with a URL context. So let me just turn it on, and so that's it. We only want the grounding with a Google search. Okay, pull up the latest blogs written on this keyword. So guys, remember, now we have got this keyword from the Google Search Console. Okay, so if you're a YouTuber and if you're getting a traffic, now I just added this, it needs a 24-hour to display. It's just gonna fetch. So if you go to the insights, it's just gonna say we are processing your data and gathering insight, check back within 48 hours. So even if I refresh also, it's just gonna be same. So let me just give it a time, maybe 24 hours, so that it can gather a data, and hopefully I'll make another video about it. But yeah, let's go to the Google AI Studio. So let me just go inside the platform properties. All right, so what do we got here? Okay, so it's just gonna tell you how to understand the search audience, spotting a trending content, and existing content optimizing. Let me just go to the sites. Yeah, we have got these nice little traffic shares. which it's just gonna find the sources of what traffic, where the traffic is coming from. Alright, so let me just go back. So here, this is how we find a winning keyword from the Google Search Console, and then we head over to any AI tool. Now in this case, I'm using Google AI Studio, and here I just pulled up a latest because we want to go with the latest, which is ranking at the top. And here we have sources. Okay, so it is also telling me Google search and display of search is required when they're using Google. Okay, so we can also focus on these related keywords. All right, from the latest sources, find quality keywords and articles to write me a blog article. Make sure there is no keyword cannibalism, because we don't want to keyword stuff anymore. And so that's it. So I'm just gonna give it a run, and let's just wait for it to finish the blog article. So let me just go back, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to Google again, and here Quillbot. Alright guys, if you want to rank your articles, you want to get monetized, book a call with me, head over to querylookup.com, and you can book a one-on-one call with me. The link will be in the description, make sure you check that out. So let me just go to the Quillbot, and here we have something called AI detector. So we are inside the AI detector, which is trying to detect content generated by GPT-5, Gemini, Claude, etc, etc. So let me just go to Google AI Studio, and here we have, okay, just giving me step by step to write a high ranking blog post. You must pivot from traditional how to advise to intent-based quality. Okay, I'm just gonna make it to follow. Okay, follow up your session. Write me a blog. Okay, because I want a complete blog article from this thing. So how are we gonna do that? So let me just wait for it to finish. Okay, it started writing a blog article. So let me just take this certain part in order to check if there is any AI influence or not. So let me just copy this, go to the keyword AI detector, and hit detect AI. Alright, we have got a 0% of the text is likely AI, which means the Google AI Studio is doing good. Just because it is intentional purpose, I think there will be a lot of less AI influence going on right here. But still, I would take a look at these M dashes and certain things which I don't want to put in my blog article. So I'm just gonna let it write, and okay, it's just writing a bunch of things. Okay, alright, it's good, but you can also change the models and everything, etc, etc. Mostly I use Claude, but for research purpose and showing inside this video, I'm using Google AI Studio. Now this is it. This is how Google Search Console is going to eliminate all the Semrush AI tutorials or keyword research tool by giving you an analysis data, which is very helpful for you to plan your next content. Now I hope you're going to do that, and I hope whatever this is, whatever Google doing in 2026 and further is going to help you analyze your search traffic and performance of your keyword and already existing keywords or already existing videos, and get you the analysis. Very important things, very important to consider, because nowadays many people are AI stuffing and AI, all these things are AI, all the internet is filled with AI. Now people only trust the person behind it, being authenticity. So in order to be authenticity, you need to know what is working on, so that it makes your work finish much faster. So with that said, catch you on the next one. This is Google Search Console and Analytics.